It's going to be good this afternoon and to the evening hours here in the Niagara Frontier, the Buffalo Metro. Down to the south could be a different story this afternoon, though. Maybe a few hit or miss thunder bumpers popping up. Let's get right to it. Take you off the lakeshore, the Buffalo waterfront at noontime. A little bit of milky appearance to the sky out there. We've had some high clouds around at times this morning, then they thin out, and it looks like maybe a little bit more high cloudiness may be edging in here during the course of the afternoon. So we'll call it mostly to partly sunny for the afternoon, but it's going to be rain-free, at least across the Niagara Frontier. Down at Chautauqua Lake, Burtis Bay, David Phelps webcam, and we're looking at some patchy clouds down across that area right now. Some fog set up in some of the valleys again this morning, just prior to sunrise or around that time. As we check out the satellite picture, you can see some of those high clouds lurking back here to the west, and this stuff is heading our way. So it's not going to be that bright sunshine out there this afternoon as some of these clouds mix with the sun. Super microcast is keeping things pretty dry, at least across northern areas this afternoon, though I would not rule out an isolated shower or thunder shower. The cool front that moved through the area yesterday, and there's really not too much cooling behind it, or for that matter even lower humidity, has stalled out across Pennsylvania, and some disturbances are working along that. And each time a disturbance travels by just to the south of the area, there is the possibility of at least some isolated showers and thunder showers developing, especially down across the southern tier and into the northern tier counties of PA. And the same is going to be true of tomorrow as well, whereas I think areas to the north should be mainly rain-free. Any threat of rain vanishes from the forecast as we head for the weekend. Look at the sunshine building in here for Saturday. I mean, bright sunshine, high UV index. If you're heading off to the Taste of Buffalo, don't forget the sunscreen. And equally as nice on Sunday and warmer still, too, especially if you like it that way. 77 at Niagara Falls this afternoon for a high temp. Upper 70s at Grand Island, Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, down through Cheektowaga and Lancaster. About 77 at Batavia. Upper 70s at Wellsville and Olean for a forecast high, maybe closer to 80 at Batavia. Bradford, 79 at Jamestown, upper 70s here at Hamburg, Orchard Park, West Seneca, and East Aurora. Right now, we're on the road to some of those readings. 76 already at the Buffalo Airport, and 75 at Niagara Falls up through Toronto and Dunkirk. 72 down here at Jamestown, and 75 also at Wellsville, and 76 over the border at Bradford. Now, the humidity has dropped a little bit in some of the interior locations. We're seeing some dew point temperatures below that 60-degree mark, which is kind of the threshold of humid conditions, but it is slightly humid still here in Buffalo, at least somewhat humid with 62, and also up through the falls and by the lakeshore at Dunkirk. As we check the forecast details, sunset time 8:56 tonight. The water temperature 73 now off Buffalo. Big jump up there. That's actually 4 degrees above normal for the date, as pointed out by one of our bloggers, Dave, on the weather blog this morning. Mostly to partly sunny skies, somewhat less humid. An isolated shower or thunder shower well to the south this afternoon. The high temp 75 to 80 degrees. For the overnight, mostly to partly clear skies. A comfy night for the most part. Some clouds toward the PA line, 55 to 60. Then tomorrow, partly sunny skies, a few thunder showers, mainly in the southern tier and northern tier counties of PA, 77 to 81 degrees. Don't have to worry about that on the weekend. Bright sunshine on Saturday, pleasant, 78 to 83, but it becomes downright hot around here on Sunday with a high temperature in the upper 80s and lots of sunshine to go around still to wrap up the weekend. Next chance of rain beyond that, and it still might be scattered, is going to come on Monday.
And remember, the Taste of Buffalo this weekend, we'll have our Channel 4 booth, and you and me and Joe and all
the
of
Wake
us.
Up Gang.
Yeah, we're going to be there Saturday morning, first thing at around 11 o'clock.
Sounds good.
See you there. That's a day.